Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 computer. Secure Boot is a feature on Windows 11 that makes sure only trusted, safe software is allowed to start. If it detects something suspicious like malware trying to run before Windows loads, it will block it. To enable Secure Boot, you'll want to restart your computer, or if it's turned off, turn it on. And as soon as the screen lights up, click on the Escape key multiple times on your keyboard. Because I'm using a HP, the Escape key allows me to enter the BIOS. But if you're on another computer like a Dell, Lenovo, or Asus for example, you'll have to press the Delete key or F10 key on your keyboard. Once you've pressed the correct key, you'll enter your computer's BIOS and you should see a screen similar to this. Please note, depending on the manufacturer of your computer, it'll most likely look a little different to this, but the same options should be available. Now that you're in your computer's BIOS, you'll want to use your computer's left, right, and up-down arrow keys to navigate through the different menus. For me, on this HP laptop, I need to select the BIOS Setup menu option, so I'm going to select that option by clicking on the down arrow on my keyboard, and once I'm on that option, I'm going to click on the Enter key. Now that I'm on this BIOS screen, I'm going to click on the right arrow key to navigate to the Security tab. From this tab, I'm going to use my down arrow key to navigate to the Secure Boot Configuration option. Now click on the Enter key. As you can see, the Secure Boot setting is unchecked and turned off on my computer. To turn it on, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to check this checkbox. Now, to save your changes, click on the Escape button twice on your keyboard, and you'll be prompted to save your changes. Make sure Yes is selected and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Your computer will now restart and Secure Boot will be activated. And it's as easy as that. Enabling Secure Boot is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.